Hi, I'm Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take these leaves that I've saved from previous projects and we're going to do DIY napkin rings. I've taken sets of 3 leaves and put them together, and I love the detailing on these leaves. See those spots and the lines? Usually you get leaves from Dollar Tree. They don't have this kind of detailing, but I believe these are from Dollar Tree in previous years. And I have some mums from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using those. And then I have my pipe cleaners. I've cut them into half. And some scissors, which I use to cut the pipe cleaners, and I'm going to use them to cut the mums. And my hot glue gun. All right, let's get started. Well, today I'm participating in the Fall Dollar Tree DIY Challenge, hosted by Shoshana of Regal Designs by Shoshana and co-hosted by Nadia of DIY with Nadia. And this is all a part of her Fall into Fall series. More information about them and the playlist will be in the description box below. All right, to make our napkin rings, we're going to start with 3 of these leaves. I've taken 2 of the darker ones. I'm going to put them together bottom to bottom, slightly overlapping, so that I can just let that one little drop of glue connect them. And then I'm going to put a drop of glue in the center and put that brighter orange leaf on top. The next step will be to cut off one of just the tips of these mums. And I left too much of a stem on here, so I'm going to trim it down so that it's right to the very base of the flower, and then it will sit on there perfectly. Another little dab of glue in the center, and I'm going to sit the little mum right there and hold it a moment till that glue adheres. I think this is coming along well. It's so cute. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take a 10 millimeter pearl from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it right in the center of that little mum. Just another little dab of glue. I'm going to put the pearl down there, making sure that the hole in the pearl is not facing up. I want it to be facing kind of on the side so you can't see it from the top. And here we have it. So I'm going to put together these other ones so you can see it again, and then I'll show you how I do the backing. Again, just a little dot here. Put the second one on top. Another little dot, and the bright orange one on top. And then on the back, another dot of glue, and I'm going to use some pipe cleaner. Just holding it down in that glue for a moment so I have something to attach it to the napkin with. So while I put these other together, let me know what you're thinking about how this craft is coming along so far. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've done some DIY napkin rings too. Just to let you know also, I have a lineup of fall videos I'm pulling together. Like I said in another video, I've already decorated the kitchen. The dining room is already almost done. And I'm pulling together decor for my front porch. That's going to be my big project for the fall. I want to get my front porch done. I haven't done anything, just set some things out there, but I haven't really pulled it together like I'd like it to be. So that's going to be my big project for the fall. If you'd like to see that, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified as I release new videos, and you'll get to see how everything turns out. I'm really looking forward to getting that done. And if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. So that would really help my channel. If you would give it a thumbs up and share it with others. That's how we grow here on YouTube. So I've got the back on all of my little napkin rings now. Got them all set up. And in a moment, I'm going to turn them over so you can see them. And, oh, I haven't finished putting the mums. I'm sorry. I've got to finish putting the mums on the other ones with the little pearls. So I'm actually going to be using these napkin rings in an upcoming tablescape for the fall. So I hope you'll stay tuned to see how I bring all of this together on my dining room table. I am so excited about what I'm pulling together for that. I'm actually using some dishes I purchased at Habitat for Humanity years ago and never had an opportunity to use them. I guess it's going to almost be a thrifted tablescape because I have plates from Habitat for Humanity and sauces from the thrift store. And then I'm doing my DIY napkins. I have a DIY centerpiece. I'm pulling a lot of things together that I have already. So I hope it'll be something. I'm trying to create something you can really enjoy. And I look forward to sharing it with you soon. So let's finish making these napkin rings. You can see how this is going. I'm chasing pearls around. Oh, as they're falling out of my fingers. But I really like the way these mums just kind of cupped around the pearls. I think that turned out super cute. And then I'm also going to point out how when I put the mums onto the leaves, there's another pearl getting away from me. That's what I love about this little placemat I'm using. These are actually Dollar Tree placemats. They have little ribbed lines in there, and I use them when I'm making jewelry because those beads will run away from you, and those lines kind of help it to stop them from rolling away too fast. So when I put the mum in the center of the leaf, now that there's some glue there, I'm going to actually first press the mum down, and then you see I'm pressing the leaf up. And I want the leaf to kind of get caught into some of that glue so that it will sit up a little bit and it won't just lay flat. So again, if you watch, I put the glue on top, stick the little mum on there and hold it. And once it kind of adheres, then I take my hands and cup them around the bottom of the leaf and actually press that leaf up. And I'm going to hold that in place so some of it can get caught into the glue too. And like I said, that'll help to lift it and give it more of a 3D effect. And you won't just have flat leaves laying on the table. So now that that's done, I've gotten 4 of my off-white napkins and straight out the drawer. You can see they haven't been ironed or anything, but you won't see the creases because I'm rolling them. I'm going to just roll it, and then I'm going to take one of my napkin rings, lay the flour on top, and then underneath I'm just going to tuck the pipe cleaner underneath. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way with pipe cleaner is because this is probably going to be a temporary napkin ring. I'm not sure yet. I've been making so many things that I'm just running out of storage places to be perfectly honest. So some of these napkin rings and things like this that are small item, they may be easy to store, and if I can, I will. But if not, a lot of things I'm making now will either start going up for sale next year or going into the thrift bin because I just can't store everything. So if I want to keep them permanently, or if you want to make napkin rings and keep them permanently, what you would do is instead of gluing it to like that pipe cleaner, you would just glue it to some of these napkin rings that you can get from Dollar Tree. And then you would have a permanent napkin ring that you can keep forever. Now I can keep these forever and I can use them, but I would have to be careful not to let my guests prick their fingers on that wire from that pipe cleaner. I would just have to tuck the ends in really good. So this is one way to just save even another $1. But as you can see laying here, no one knows how they're attached. When they pick up if someone were to pick up this napkin, they would slide it out of the napkin ring and probably wouldn't even pay attention to how it's attached. So I'm doing it this way, like I said, for the tablescape video. But again, if I were going to serve my guests with this, I would attach it to an actual napkin ring. So here you have it. I've got my 4 napkins rings together and ready for my tablescape. I can't wait to share that with you too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see how I use it in my tablescape later. Again, I'd like to thank Shoshana and Nadia for hosting this event today. And don't forget to check out the playlist below to see what other great fall DIYs the other creators have made. All right, I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.